Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and enable Auto Rotate in quick settings. So we're going to swipe down right here from the right side. And we want to make sure that it is enabled like that. So it has to be blue and white, and if it's white and simply from the liquid glass, then that means it's disabled. So now we want to test the gyroscope in different apps. So I am choosing Google Chrome first. It is working. Let's try messages. Messages are also working. We can try some other apps like email. Email is also working. Now let's see if contacts work. I think that contacts are not working, but Facebook was working. Now Meet is working. So as you guys can see, it really depends on the app, but overall it definitely works. If it's not working for you, then what I would recommend you to do is restart the phone to reset the sensors. So we're going to press the power button, the volume up button, and now tap on restart and tap again to restart it. So now we're waiting for the restart, and soon it should be finished. I'll see you guys once the entire restart is done. Now after the restart, we're gonna go over and go to the settings. Now swipe all the way down until we see system and updates, and here tap on software update. As you guys can see, I do have the new version available, so I'll click on software version and click on install, and that's what you guys also should do if you have the update option. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.